Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Hammad Travels and Tourism, our journey through the enchanting islands of Malta. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, Malta is a small archipelago with a rich tapestry of history and culture. From the ancient Phoenicians to the Knights of St. John, Malta has been touched by many civilizations, each leaving their indelible mark. Malta is not just a treasure trove of ancient archaeological sites, it's also home to sun-drenched beaches that sparkle like jewels in the sea. The island's vibrant nightlife, from lively clubs to tranquil wine bars, echoes with the rhythm of Mediterranean life. But Malta's real charm lies in its people, who are as warm and welcoming as the island's sunny climate. With a unique blend of Mediterranean cultures, Maltese traditions are as varied and colorful as the local landscape. So buckle up and prepare for an unforgettable journey through Malta. First stop, the ancient city of Medina, known as the Silent City. Medina, perched on a hilltop in the heart of Malta, is an enchanting city that whispers tales from a bygone era. Its history stretches back over 4,000 years, making it one of the oldest cities in the world. Medina is a place where time seems to have stood still, its narrow, winding streets leading us on a journey through the centuries. The city's architecture is a captivating blend of medieval and Baroque styles, a testament to the various cultures that have left their mark on this place. Imposing stone walls encircle the city, their weathered surfaces hinting at the countless stories they have witnessed over the ages. One of the city's most prominent landmarks is St. Paul's Cathedral. This majestic structure, with its intricate facade and grand interiors, stands as a testament to the city's rich religious heritage. Legend has it that the cathedral was built on the site where St. Paul converted the island's Roman governor to Christianity, marking a significant turning point in Maltese history. Just a stone's throw away from the cathedral is Palazzo Villena, a splendid Baroque palace that now houses the National Museum of Natural History. The palace, with its beautifully landscaped gardens and impressive collection of artifacts, offers a fascinating glimpse into the island's diverse flora, fauna, and geology. But Medina is more than just a collection of historical landmarks. It's a city that's alive with history, its every corner echoing with the voices of the past. Walk its silent streets, and you'll feel as if you've stepped into a living museum, a place where the past and present exist side by side. Medina's timeless charm and rich history make it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to delve deeper into Malta's past. Its ancient walls, silent streets, and beautiful architecture all come together to create an atmosphere that's as captivating as it is serene. Medina, a city that whispers the tales of history, definitely serves as a perfect start to our Maltese adventure. Next we head to the bustling capital city of Valletta. Nestled between two harbors, Valletta is a city that thrums with life and vibrancy. This city, the heart of Malta, is a melting pot of history and culture, and a testament to the island's rich past. It's not just any city but a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its unique blend of Baroque and modern architecture. As you wander through the narrow streets, you'll notice the city's distinct character etched into every building. The Baroque architecture, a style characterized by extravagant details and grandeur, paints a picture of Malta's historical wealth and significance. The unique honey-colored limestone buildings with their enclosed wooden balconies are a sight to behold. But Valletta isn't just about the architecture, it's a city teeming with attractions that cater to every kind of traveler. History buffs will find themselves drawn to the Grand Master's Palace, a splendid piece of Baroque architecture that served as the seat of power for the Knights of St. John. Today it houses the President's office and a museum dedicated to the city's history. For art enthusiasts, St. John's Co-Cathedral is a must-visit. This gem of a place is home to an impressive collection of art, including Caravaggio's masterpiece, The Beheading of St. John the Baptist. The cathedral's opulent interior, filled with gold leaf decorations and intricate carvings, is a testament to Malta's rich religious history. And let's not forget about the Upper Baracca Gardens. Perched on the highest point of the city walls, these gardens offer stunning panoramic views of the Grand Harbor and the three cities. The sight of the sun setting over the harbor, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, is something you'll carry in your heart long after you leave. Valletta isn't just a city, it's a living, breathing museum, a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Maltese people. It's a place where the past and the present coexist in harmony, creating a captivating blend of old and new. From its steep streets to its grand harbors, Valletta is a city that leaves a lasting impression. Leaving the cityscape behind, we now venture towards the serene Melieha Bay. Imagine a place where the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea meet the golden sands, forming a spectacular coastline that's a delight to the eyes. Melieha Bay, also known as Gadira Bay, is exactly that place. It's one of Malta's largest sandy beaches, a haven for beach lovers and sun worshippers. Here, the sun's warm rays kiss the sandy shores, creating a shimmering spectacle that's nothing short of magical. But Melieha Bay isn't just about lazing around on the beach, it's a paradise for water enthusiasts too. The calm and clear waters make it an ideal spot for swimming, even for the little ones. Snorkeling is another popular activity, offering a window into the vibrant underwater world teeming with marine life. And when you're done exploring the depths, you can simply lie back and soak up the sun for that perfect tan. Yet the charm of Melieha Bay extends beyond its stunning beaches. Close by you'll find the Red Tower, an imposing 17th century fortification that stands as a testament to Malta's rich history. From its rooftop you can enjoy panoramic views of the bay and the surrounding countryside. Not far off, nestled in the heart of Melieha town, is the Melieha Church. Dedicated to the Nativity of the Virgin Mary, this historic church is a sight to behold with its intricate architecture and awe-inspiring frescoes. During the annual village feast in September, the church and the entire town come alive with vibrant decorations, processions, and fireworks, making it a cultural experience not to be missed. So whether you're a beach bum, a history buff, or an adventure seeker, Melieha Bay has something to offer everyone. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature, delve into the pages of history, or simply unwind and revel in the joys of a perfect beach day. Melieha Bay, where the sun, sand, and sea come together in perfect harmony. From the coast, we move to the mysterious underground world of the Hal Saflieni Hypogeum. Tucked away in the small town of Paola, the Hypogeum is a subterranean structure dating back over 5,000 years. It's a testament to prehistoric ingenuity, carved entirely from the living rock. This labyrinthine complex of halls, chambers, and passages spans 3 levels, reaching a depth of nearly 30 feet below ground level. The Hypogeum was discovered at the start of the 20th century during routine construction work. The site was initially used as a sanctuary, but eventually became a necropolis, laying to rest an estimated 7,000 individuals. The remains of these ancient people, along with the pottery, figurines, and personal adornments found here, offer a fascinating glimpse into a civilization that predates the pyramids of Egypt. The architecture of the Hypogeum is a marvel in itself. The builders of this underground haven demonstrated a remarkable understanding of engineering principles. They sculpted the soft limestone into a series of interconnecting chambers, each with their own unique design. Some rooms echo the architectural style of contemporary above-ground megalithic structures, while others, like the Oracle Chamber, have features that suggest they were used for ritualistic purposes. The site is also home to some of the earliest examples of prehistoric art, including the famous Sleeping Lady figurine. This small yet striking artifact, found in one of the burial chambers, is believed to represent a fertility goddess. Made from clay, it depicts a robust woman in a reclining position, an embodiment of the cycle of life and death. Visiting the Hypogeum is like stepping back in time. The dimly lit chambers, the whispering echoes, the chill in the air, it all adds to the sense of mystery and intrigue. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the rich history of Malta, a history that is as fascinating as it is complex. The Hypogeum, a testament to Malta's rich and fascinating past. As the sun sets, we find ourselves in the heart of Malta's nightlife, Paceville. Paceville, a district within St. Julian-es, transforms from a quaint coastal area to a lively hub of entertainment as twilight hits. It's a place where the pulsating rhythm of music and the electric energy of the crowds create a vibrant symphony of excitement. This bustling nightlife district is the playground for night owls, a mecca for those who love the hustle and bustle of city life after dark. Here, neon lights illuminate the streets, casting a vibrant glow that seems to match the dynamic spirit of the people. Paceville is brimming with a wide array of popular bars and clubs, each offering a unique experience. From the sultry Latin beats of Havana 808 to the eclectic mix of dance, pop, and house music at Hugo's Passion, there's a venue to match every musical taste. Then there's the iconic Sky Club, known for its large dance floor and for hosting some of the biggest international DJs. But the nightlife in Paceville isn't just about music and dancing. It's also about the diverse range of entertainment options available. For those who prefer a quieter evening, there are chic wine bars like Cork's Bar, where one can enjoy a glass of fine wine while engaging in lively conversations. Sports enthusiasts can head to the lively sports bars like the Footloose Sports Bar, where they can watch the latest games while enjoying a pint. Foodies are not left out either. There are numerous late-night eateries that serve a variety of cuisines. From delicious Maltese dishes to international favorites, there's something to satiate every palate. In Paceville, each night brings a new adventure. It's a place where you can dance until dawn, engage in captivating conversations, enjoy a delicious meal, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere. It's a place that embraces the night and celebrates life in all its energetic and exciting forms. Paceville, where Malta's nights come alive with energy and excitement. As our journey through Malta comes to an end, let's recap the amazing places we've visited. We started our trip in the ancient city of Mdina, a timeless gem that has kept its charm alive through the centuries. Walking through its narrow streets, we marveled at the grandeur of its architecture and soaked in its rich history. We discovered how Mdina's past is intricately woven into the fabric of Malta's cultural tapestry, a testament to the island's enduring spirit. From there, we moved to the vibrant capital, Valletta. This bustling city is a blend of the old and the new, where ancient fortifications stand guard over modern establishments. We got lost in its labyrinth of streets, each corner revealing a new piece of Valletta's multifaceted personality. We also got a taste of the city's culinary scene, which is as diverse and exciting as its architecture. Next, we headed to the coastal charm of Melieha Bay, a paradise for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts. The sun-kissed sands and crystal-clear waters of the bay were a sight to behold. We reveled in the bay's serene ambiance, which provided a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of the city. Our journey then took us to the mysteries of Hal Saflieni Hypogeum, an underground labyrinth that dates back to around 4000 BC. This archaeological wonder gave us a rare glimpse into Malta's prehistoric era, its silent halls echoing the stories of a bygone time. Finally, we ended our day in the lively nightlife of Paceville. This vibrant hub of entertainment was the perfect way to cap off our Maltese adventure. The pulsating beats of the nightclubs and the electric energy of the crowd made for an unforgettable night. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Malta and look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.